Here, ready for my Paletteful Packs prompt from June. But hey, I'm doing it. And actually, I say prompt, but I didn't actually follow any of the prompts. So the prompt words were sky, tired, rock, and wet. But I wanted to do a snake because I wanted to. I don't know why. Just the colors, when I was playing around with them in my sketchbook, I was just kind of like putting colors everywhere, and just, I don't know, it reminded me of like snake skin or something. And that was before I had gotten the gray toned chalk pastels, because if you saw my unboxing of this, I didn't get the gray toned chalk pastels in my box. It was just, missed. And I had emailed them, but they had missed my email for a bit. And also I didn't email them for a long time because I was like depressed and all that. So I didn't get the gray tone chalk pastels until just a bit ago. And basically shortly after I got them, I did the prompt, even though I saved that, but I didn't actually do the prompt. But I used all the products, and I decided that I wanted to use the gray tone paper because I really like the square artist tiles. I really like squares. I like working in squares. And I decided that I wanted to do like 2 pieces because, because one of them I just wanted to kind of like mess around with the pastels and like just put them all over the whole page, and then kind of like try to draw the snake with the gray tone pastels. But then the other one I wanted to do more like, that is just the snake skin, and then do something else with every color of the gray tone pastels because I wanted to use everything. I mean, I didn't use every single sponge thingy, but I used most of them. So yeah, I used pretty much everything in the box except for the pieces of velvet stuff for using the pastels on, because I wanted to do the gray toned artist towels, and they were kind of weird. Like, I didn't look at them closely until I was doing this, and they had like these little like veins everywhere in them. I don't know what it is. They're just like little pieces, but I like it. It's cool. It's cool. And I liked the gray tone paper, and I loved the pan pastels. Oh my god, I love them. I'm gonna use them like way more, just to like add color and stuff places, and like, because I was like using them in my sketchbook, and like if I rub it out like all the way, it won't like leave any residue really on the other page very much. So I was thinking might use that in my sketchbook more. And I don't know about the chalk pastels. They were kind of weird to use because they are like kind of hard, and I don't know. I still had fun with them, but I don't know how much I'll use those like outside of it. I really wish I could get more pan pastels. They're kind of expensive. Like when I looked them up, I was like, oh. But maybe one day I'll get some more because I really like pastels, and I know like quite a few artists who don't like pastels. They're like, oh, pastels. But I think they're fun. Like maybe just because I like being like messy. I don't like, and some people don't. Some people don't like getting like their hands messy and getting like art materials everywhere. But I do, I guess, because I'm like a child at heart, and it just like I guess makes me think of when I was young and just doing crazy art stuff. I used to do so much as a child. Like I feel like I was more productive as a child, honestly. Like I was so like interested in learning. Like I was I was always into like science and these like science kit things, and like learning stuff on the internet and all that, and from books. And then like I swear like the school system just knocked out my thirst for knowledge, because now it's like I don't, like go out of my way to learn things. Like I try to learn things sometimes, obviously, but like yeah, it sucks. I wish I was still like, okay, so I used to identify heavily as a Ravenclaw, but now I identify heavily as a Hufflepuff, so I don't know if that tells you anything, but yeah, it's just, I don't know, something happened. And I used to like do craft stuff and like art stuff and science-y stuff and learning things all the time. My family has these like encyclopedias that we got a long time ago, and I used to just like read them. I'm serious. But anyways, I'll stop talking about that. I like pastels. I want more. I want more pan pastels. They're so fun. I'll try to get more at some point. And I want to do more with pastels. But there's just so many. There's like just so many art supplies that I just want to use. I love art supplies, and I haven't been doing art very much lately. But I'm trying to get back into it, and I'm getting back into it slowly. And I think getting into makeup has actually helped me get back into art, traditional art as well, because I think makeup is art. But yeah, it's been really fun working with the materials in this box, and I already have a plan for the July box. I know I'm like running behind, but August I'm finally gonna get caught up, I think. I hope. That's the plan anyways. So yeah, hopefully you'll see me get all caught up soon. I'm working on it. I have plans for like everything, at least. Like I've sketched out my Copic colors of the month for July, and I've sketched out my Paletteful packs prompt for July. I just haven't actually like done them and recorded them, so I'm so close to being caught up. I'm so close. But yeah, I quite like what I came up with there, the little snake. I literally just kind of drew a snake, an image of a snake that I saw on Google. Like I did not make up that pose. Like I did not. And I saw it and I drew it. That's what happened. But that's okay. I'm fine with that. I liked the pose. I thought it was cool snake pose. Like yeah. So yeah, and I tried to do my makeup to match. So I hope you guys really like that. I had a lot of fun doing it, and I hope if you guys get Paletteful packs that you liked yours too. I'm going to do some close-up on my makeup a little bit. It's probably not perfect because I'm a little bit messy, but yeah. Makeup's so fun. This is all of this is Jeffree Star. I'm like obsessed with Jeffree Star right now. I'm like buying more also soon. But anyways, I'll close this video up. And I just want to say a special thank you to all my patrons, Ezsithyn, Artemystik, Kim, Rhian, Jill, and Ashley. You guys are the best. Thank you so much. I really appreciate all the support you've given me for so long. And even though I'm struggling, and you still are with me, and that means so much to me. And everybody else too on YouTube, thank you for sticking with me through my struggles. I really appreciate it. I hope you all are doing okay. Hope you're having a good day. I'm having an okay day. So see you guys later. Bye.